Okay, we're at 1431 Tonti Street in New Orleans. We're gonna run the camera through the clean out on the right side of the house. It appears that all PVC is hung properly and then eventually goes down underground to the sewer line. Okay, right here it appears when the PVC turns into the terracotta. The PVC drops into the terracotta, and right here it looks like a slip joint or a possible break. We're gonna go ahead and locate this section of the pipe. Okay, so at this time we located the separation and the break inside the terracotta. It appears that they might have some water flow, but with the separation of this terracotta right here, stuff will eventually get caught up on the lip of the terracotta. I lost visual on the pipe itself due to build-up inside the pipe, but we ran it in the first time. They definitely had a separation right here in the terracotta pipe, so we can't really get a visual on the rest of the pipe to the city. We will request this be fixed and then a re-video.